Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, we will continue with computers on a regular basis for next few days so that we can be able to complete our computer syllabus also. So let's get started and continue our chapter number 2, editing of MS Word. Yes. So until our last class, we saw about opening a MS Word document, then saving about it, closing. So now today we are going to learn about how to open an existing document. To open an existing document, what are you supposed to do is the open dialog box will appear. The open dialog box will appear, and then we have to locate and select our document, then click it open. Okay, so I'll just open MS Word over here. Yes, my MS Word is open. Okay, I want to open a document which we have already created. So what am I supposed to do is click on File and click on Open. So once I do click on Open, my open dialog box will appear in front of me. From here, wherever my document is saved, either on desktop or downloads or documents or pictures or any worksheets over here, I have to click on that. So I will just click it on my documents or downloads or desktop. Let's just see on desktop. So it's our file is available here. It is class 4. Yes, this was our file. So my file was on desktop. I went to desktop, and then from there I selected my file called class 4. This is the file we have created, right? This is a computer class. My name is, I am Premlata. Every time you add a new information, you have to see this one. So this is how we open our existing document. Simply, we'll just do it once again. Click on files, click on open. Once you click on open, this open dialog box will appear in front of you all. So from here, you are supposed to, at the left hand side corner, you have this different folders and different storage places where we store our files. So if your file is saved on desktop, click on desktop and all the files of the desktop will appear in front of you. Downloads, documents. Imagine your files are saved in documents, so you have to go to documents and there you can search your file and click open. So my document was available here on desktop. Class 4, select the file and click on open, or simply do a double click. You also try it in your house. In a blank Word document, type 5 good habits in your computer room. Save the document by the name as good habits and close the file. Now open the file good habit once again and add 2 more good habits in the computer room and save changes in the files and close the MS file. Yeah, this is for your assignment. This is for your homework. Children, whoever is having computers or laptops in your houses, please do practice this one. Modifying text in the MS Word document. To modify, what do you mean by modify? Modify is nothing but to make some changes. Okay, how do we do editing in our mobile phone? The same thing, making changes. To modify or to change the content of your file, like inserting or deleting the text to make the correction in the document, you need to do the following. So imagine you want to put some more information in your file, or you want to delete some information from your file. So there is when you're going to use this thing called modifying. So what do you do for deleting? Select the text you wish to delete by dragging the mouse pointer from beginning till the end of the text. Okay, so imagine I want to remove this line. I am Premlata. What am I supposed to do as per this one? They are telling me. Let's read it once again. Select the text you wish to delete by dragging the mouse pointer from beginning till the end of the text. From wherever you want to begin to delete, from there to wherever you want to end the deleting is you are supposed to select. So I want to delete I am Premlata. I know you people will say just take it, do backspace. That is also there. Imagine you have to delete a big paragraph. How many times will you keep pressing backspace? So instead just select all the whatever you want to delete, select all that portion and just delete it up. So I want to put, so what am I telling? It is asking me to mouse pointer from select drag. Okay. So what do, for dragging, what are we supposed to do? Left click, keeping it as pressed. So I'll just keep it here. I'm pressing left click and I'm dragging. See, I have not left my left click. See, it is pressed only. I've pressed it. So till wherever I want to delete it, just keep it there. And if I've done, I'll just release it. So all my things are got selected in blue. And simply on your keyboard, press delete key. So see, I did my deleting here. Press the delete button from the keyboard. So your things will be deleted. See here, I'll do it once more. Start from I want to delete till Premlata. So drag it, drag the selection by doing left click and keeping the left click pressed. Once I have selected, release the keyboard, sorry, mouse, and then press the delete button. Simple. Yes. Now adding a new content to your document. So what if you want to add a new line between the other lines, not the new one, okay? So what are you supposed to do? Click at the place where you want to insert the text. Now start typing the new text. Use backspace key to erase or delete the wrong text typed, if any. Okay, children, every time you add a new information, you have save it. So I have forgotten one word here. You have to save it. So I have not written to here. So how should I do it? Just put my cursor here. Click wherever you want to write something. Imagine you want to write here between have and save. Click it here and start typing. You have to. See? This two I have added now. So wherever you want to write something new, just click your just click your mouse pointer over there and then just start typing. If you have written anything wrong, you can just either do delete or backspace. I'll just do backspace because I have written two in a small letter. All full my line is in capital letter. So what I'll do, I'll switch on the caps lock. Now I will write two. Yes, and then simply save. How should I save? Either go on the top bar, you have the second key. Once you take your mouse pointer, the computer only will prompt. See, you can see here it is giving me prompt saying save. So I'll just click it. So whatever new information I've added, it is got saved over there. Okay, spellings and grammars. If the word in your document is spelled incorrectly, if in the word in your document, if the word in your document is spelled incorrectly or it is not available in its word bank, it underlines that word in a red wavy line. But do not worry, MS Word will help you to correct them. While typing, if you want to correct any spelling mistakes, place the mouse pointer on the incorrect word showing in the red wave lines. Press the right mouse button. A pop-up menu will open. The pop-up menu shows you a list of alternative words that you intend to type. Now click on the correct spelling, whichever you want to select from the list. Replace the incorrect word and to close the menu. Children, on this figure you can see it here, right? The spelling of word processor is having a red wavy line. I'll just open it for you. Can you see here? I've written the spelling of school in a wrong way. So it is giving me red wavy line below that. Yes. So this means there is, whenever you get a red wavy line on your words, it means there is a spelling mistake. So how should you correct it? It's simple. Just go to the spelling and do right click. So once you do right click, it will show you some spellings with the correct spellings. Okay, some words with the correct spelling. So you're supposed to select whichever you want. Either you correct it by yourself, well and good. Imagine sometimes we don't remember the spellings. So on the wrong spelling, just do right click. It will prompt you some suggestions like which related spelling. So from that you can select it. See, now I selected it and it is the correct spelling, school. This is how we do the spelling corrections. Now, one important thing, children, over here is the, imagine school is, school very good. It is not showing here. Children, basically when you have a, what do you say, grammar mistake, it will show you green lines. Even this one is this. School very good is. It's not showing on my system, but see children, whenever you see a green wavy lines on your system or whenever you're writing, that means there is a grammar error. Okay. If you want to check all the incorrect spellings of your documents, you're supposed to click on spellings and grammar button in proofing menu under review tab. And how to do that, we will see in our next class. So until then, just practice this much. And I'll catch you again in our next class. Until then, bye.